guys, hope you had a good Christmas. Welcome back to the channel. By the time you watch this, I hope you had a good New Year as well.
Thankfully we live in Vietnam, so there's not been a lockdown for a while now, so we can just carry on life as normally. We know it's not the case elsewhere, so we feel really lucky.
We know it's a bit of a crap time for everybody. Not everyone is obviously as lucky and able to go out as freely as we are. So yeah, we thought we'd share our New Year, and obviously we hope you enjoy it.
Right, so what is on today's agenda?
So we're gonna go and get a pizza. It's our favourite pizza restaurant. We go there probably 2 to 3 times a week. Quite embarrassing really, because the staff know our order and our name off the top of their head. So we walk in there with our heads down every single time, trying not to be noticed. We've also heard about a beach party in a place called Coco Bay. Never heard of it before, so it's gonna be interesting to say the least. Hopefully it's good. We've got no idea. Either way, we're gonna be filming the whole time. So yeah, just enjoy it and let us know what you think.
Enjoy the video.
Hello.
Hello.
Made it. We made it.
We made it. We're here. We're at Pizza Puppies. Well done.
Naughty.
Delicious.
Cheeky bit of broccoli to wash it down.
Yummy.
Crazy. How people think that pineapple is weird on pizza, but then you can put broccoli on it and it's normal.
Yeah, I mean, I haven't actually seen a pizza anywhere else with broccoli on it.
Hello, well that was lovely, wasn't it?
It was really good, yeah.
Good.
Good. Now, we are going home.
Because I have a work
There's a meeting.
Fantastic.
And then we're going to party.
P-A-R-T-Y.
Come on.
Come on, thank you.
Okay, and we are going, where are we going later?
We're going to
Coco Bay.
Coco Bay. We've never been there.
No.
We've got no idea what it's about.
The beach party.
A beach party.
Exciting. So we just got home, guys, and now we're just going to the shop. You've got ready for your meeting. You need to get ready. You need to get a grab to the venue, then get a shuttle, then go all the way to Coco Bay. Beer's on the brain.
And we're off.
We're off. We are off. Oh, my glasses keep coming down. We're off, going to Dirty Fingers to pick up the bus.
We're going to Dirty Fingers to get a shuttle bus
To Coco Bay.
to a place that we've never been, to a bar that we've never heard of for a New Year's party. It's a resort. It is a resort, but that still doesn't help. We've got no idea where we're going, or no idea.
Raining.
And it's raining, and we're going to a beach resort, so we'll see how that plays out. I'm sure we'll catch you on the other side if we make it.
Can we go? Event. Okay.
Oh.
Thank you. Okay, change to the inside. I don't know. Okay, yeah, just we have a lucky driver.
Hello guys, happy fucking New Year, alright? 2020 actually won. 21 will be different.
How's it going?
We're gonna play a couple of songs and then there's gonna be a countdown. Alright, welcome everybody to Thank Fuck, it's a new year! 2020 sucks, 2021, actually 2021, it rules.
Yeah, but then after that it's 2022, so that sucks too actually. But fuck that! If you think the Nang is the best place in the world, say fuck yeah! Everybody should be part of it. I think a community like this. We've had an amazing night. We've got about 1 minute left, or 30 seconds as they say. Yeah? Is that okay?
6 hours later.